more important, parts to a cell wall, or you see the first red-winged blackbird of spring fly across the road, and your heart gives a little lift? Which is more important?
We need to create community and school environments and local and provincial policies that support being physically active and getting outside to experience nature.
How do we develop as human beings who care for the earth and do what I call actively caring?
We need to make it a priority to introduce children to the magic of nature and give them the chance to explore it at their pace and through their eyes.
This, in my opinion, is not an environmental issue. This is not an educational issue. This is a human issue.
How much better it would be if we redeveloped the decaying rings of suburban America and replaced some of those redundant shopping centers with the kind of eco-villages that are emerging in Western Europe, in which there is both more human density and more habitat.
Things started looking up when I made it to Redeville. One of the pom-pom girls from the